Just came down these steps to this level. Walking out. Okay, this just looks like the main support structure. Check these out. Okay. So this is the underneath of the Westinghouse Flood Gates. There's the gate itself. Yeah, 10 years ago I might have somehow got my way down there, but nope, this is just the underneath structure. That's not ice, it's 90 degrees out, that's mold. A lot of concrete and work done to build this thing. All right, we're underneath the Westinghouse Flood Gates.